Hi, I'm meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link on a quiet, chilly Wednesday evening. Those winds have finally died down. They were quite a factor in terms of comfort today. Of course, those wind chills were in the teens early this morning. Looking good in Providence under dry conditions. As we take a look at our threat tracker, which overnight and through, and let me see there. Yeah, I spelled overnight incorrectly. You get the picture, though. No problems tonight. Thursday looking okay. Clouds on the increase. You have a storm on the way, a coastal storm, but it's not until late Thursday night, like around midnight. But more so coming up on Friday with increasing rain and wind. Speaking of precipitation, it's dry just about everywhere. You're seeing some showers out towards just clipping the Cape and Plymouth County. I don't expect this to move much past the New Bedford area. These will be dissipating. The rest of the area should stay dry. So this is more of a localized situation for essentially Cape Cod, but we'll keep dry conditions this evening and overnight. The reason for the wind, offshore storm, and you can see the circulation off to our east, kicking up those winds today. Producing those wind chills at times in the teens, but drawing our attention out across the Mississippi River Valley and the northern plains. You see a lot of moisture coming out of the Gulf of Mexico. Storm center just near Omaha and attached to it, and a cold front and quite a bit of tropical moisture coming out of the Gulf. What will happen is this will track north and east, arriving here later Thursday night, and then more so for Friday. We're going to see this main storm center pretty much stay up across the northern plains, but a secondary one is going to form right in here off the mid-Atlantic coastline. This will be the primary one that gives us rain and wind later Thursday night and especially Friday. When we take this and put it into motion, and here we are. This is Thursday morning. Clouds are increasing. There'll be a little bit of sun, and you can see that secondary storm taking shape right in here. As we advance the map to Thursday evening and around 11 o'clock, the precipitation is starting to work in. The blue is snow and the green is rain. We're going to be on the mild side of this storm system. Kind of windswept rain later Thursday night with snow to the north and west. And here we are during the morning commute on Friday with a windswept rain and that snow confined to, well, essentially the Berkshires, north of the Mass Pike, extreme northwest Connecticut, of course, upstate New York and all of northern New England. We'll keep things as a kind of a chilly, windy day with rain both Friday morning and into the Friday evening commute. Potential is there for 1 to 2 inches of rain, and the wind gusts that we're anticipating, especially on the South Shore on Friday, anywhere from 35, 45 miles per hour. But we are dry Thursday morning. Clouds increasing, a little filtered sun early, and then becoming more of a solid overcast during the afternoon. What's nice, there's less wind than what we had today. Temperatures in the lower 40s and staying dry for the evening commute as well. It's not until much later Thursday night and especially Friday we're going to ramp up both the rain and the wind. Now, very late Friday night towards daybreak Saturday, we may transition back over to a few hours of some wet snow, especially the northwest part of the state, but this is going to be primarily a kind of a rain and wind storm. All right, that's your latest Weather Now update. Thanks for logging in. We'll talk to you soon.